I'm at Blizzard Beach here in Walt Disney World to get one thing, and that's not to ride Summit Plummet. No, we're getting a S'mores Churro. So you can find this over at the Icy Expedition. $9.89. And I waited about 20 minutes for this too. I'm hoping that means it's fresh. It's got lots of the creme on there, chocolate and marshmallows. It's cold. It's ice cold. We're at Blizzard Beach. It's gonna be ice cold. What's cooler than cool? I'm gonna be objective. It's oily. The graham cracker adds nothing. There's not enough chocolate. You can taste the marshmallows. The best part about this is the cinnamon sugar, the crunch, and the marshmallow cream. Disney World still sucks at making churros. We're awful at it.